All right, y'all, here is my new V8. It is the same as my first V8, but what I did different is put piston rings in here and obviously the color. But that's the only thing I did different. I think I did a better job on the sliding valve system thing because this thing has a pretty good seal, but not only from the piston rings, but probably from the sliding valves too. And yeah, this one runs very different from this one, but this one still runs pretty good, but this one runs significantly better. Got that little, got a piece of rubber right there to hold that gear on. And another thing I did was put V8 generated right there. This one don't have V8 generated, but this one does. Yeah, I like this one. It's the same exact thing, but it's just the internals are different. You wouldn't even be able to tell. Look at it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, let's run this thing on the air compressor, see how good the piston rings are, or see how good the piston rings perform. And y'all, I just like this color. Let me turn the flashlight on real quick. All right, y'all, this is it with the flashlight on. You can see it. Yeah, you can see everything better. Do a 360. Yeah, man, this is cool. It's very cool. Oh yeah, one more thing this thing can do is take it off the engine stand. We can actually take the engine cover off, and the bottom of the engine can come off too, and this other side. So now you can see the whole crankshaft. Dang, I can actually run it like this.